नमस्ते नेपाल अनलाइन स्कुलमा यहाँलाई स्वागत छ। आज हामी लाइक र एज को एक्सरसाइज गर्दैछौँ। हामीले यसको ग्रामेटिकल रुलको भिडियो गरेका छौँ। त्यसमा हामीले लाइक भनेको के हो, एज भनेको के हो, केसँग आउँछ त, एज कुन बेला प्रिपोजिसन हुन्छ हो, यस्तो यस्तो बारे कुरा गरेका छौँ। तपाईले त्यो भिडियो हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यति भन्दै मैले यो एक्सरसाइजको भिडियो सुरु गरेँ। In some of these sentences, you need like, not as. Correct the sentences where necessary. Write OK if the sentences is correct. If the sentence is correct भनेको छ, ठीक छ भने ठीक छ, ठीक छैन भने बनाउनु पर्यो। Okay, 1. It's raining again. I hate weather as this. As this हुन्छ हुँदैन। I hate weather like this. 2. You should have done it as I showed you. यो ठीक छ। 3. Do you think James looks as his father? हुन्छ त हुँदैन। Do you think James looks like his father? Like his father छ है, अगाडि छँदैछ। 4. He gets on my nerves. I can't stand people as him. हुन्छ त, म ऊ जस्तो मान्छे त देख्नै सक्दिनँ। I can't stand people like him. I can't stand people like him. 5. Why didn't you do it as I told you to? Told you to do it. Why didn't you do it as I told you to do it? यो ठीक छ है। ओके, अब हामीले भनेका छौँ एज चाहिँ केसँग आउँछ त, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्बसँग आउँछ भनेर भनेको थियो। यहाँनिर थोरै एक्सेप्सन पनि छ। यहाँ गर्दै जाँदा त्यो आयो भने म तपाईँलाई भनिहाल्छु है। तर युजली चाहिँ एज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब आउँछ। 6. As her mother, Catherine has a very good voice. अब एज हर मदर हुन्छ त, अब उसको मदर जस्तै क्याथेरिनको पनि मिठो स्वर छ भनेपछि उसको मदर जस्तै। लाइक हर मदर, जस्तो आमा त्यस्तै छोरी भनेको जस्तै होला नि त हैन। लाइक हर मदर, Catherine has a very good voice. 7. You never listen. Talking to you is as talking to the wall. Talking to you is as हुन्छ त, talking to you is like talking to the wall. 8. I prefer the room as it was before we decorate it. I prefer the room as it was. पहिलाको जस्तो थियो, मलाई त्यस्तै नै मन पर्यो। Before we decorate it. यो ठीक छ। 9. I will phone you tomorrow as usual. As usual, हामीले as usual, as always को पनि कुरा गरेका थियौँ। I will phone you tomorrow as usual. Okay भनेको छ, यो ठीक छ। 10. She is a very good swimmer. She swims as fish. हुन्छ त, ऊ माछा जस्तै तैरिन्छ भन्नको लागि जस्तै, सिमिलर टु, द सेम एज भन्नु पर्यो भनेदेखि लाइकको प्रयोग गरिन्छ। She swims like a fish. She swims like a fish. हो, अब यस्तै गरी नेक्स्ट वान हेरौँ त। विच गोज विथ विच भनेर भनेको छ, दुईटा बक्सामा दिएको छ। कुन चाहिँ ठिक छ त हैन, म्याच द फलोइङ भनेर भनेको छ। 1. I won't be able to come to the party. As you know, I will be away. 2. I like Tom's idea. Let's do as he suggests. Let's do as he suggests. 3. I'm fed up with my job. As I have told you, it's boring. 4. You drive too fast. You should take more care as I keep telling you. मैले यता चाहिँ लेख्न बिर्सेछु है। ओके। 5. You don't have to take my advice. You don't have to take my advice. You can do as you like. तिमीले जे मन लाग्छ, आफूलाई जे मन लाग्छ त्यही गर. You can do as you like. 6. I couldn't get a seat on the train. It was full as I expected. मैले एक्सपेक्ट गरेको जस्तै त्यो फुल थियो. It was full as I expected. है ल यसरी गर्यो हामीले. अब नेक्स्ट हेरौँ त के भनेको छ. Complete the sentences using like or as plus following. Like र as प्लस यो बक्सामा दिएको छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ झिकेर हामीले कुन सुइटेबल हुन्छ त्यो हेरेर भर्नु पर्यो. 1. This house is beautiful. It's like a palace. यो प्यालेस जस्तै छ, महल जस्तै छ. 2. My feet are very cold. They are block of ice. They are यो त हिउँ जस्तै छ भनेपछि they are like blocks of ice. They are like blocks of ice. 3. I've been playing tennis for years, but I still play. भर्खर खेल्न थालेको मान्छे जस्तै. But I still play like a beginner. Like a beginner. 4. Marian once had a part-time job. Marian once had a part-time job. के को रूपमा त टुर गाइडको रूपमा. As a tour guide. As a tour guide. 5. I wonder what that building is. It looks यो चाहिँ थिएटर जस्तै छ. अब बिल्डिङ भनेपछि यहाँबाट थिएटर मात्रै बाँकी भयो. It looks like a theater. 6. My brother gave me this watch धेरै धेरै अगाडि मेरो बर्थडे प्रेजेन्टको रूपमा. As a birthday present. As a birthday present a long time ago. My brother gave me this watch as a birthday present a long time ago. 7. It's very cold for the middle of summer. It's like winter. It's like winter. It's very cold for the middle of summer. It's like winter. 8. He's 22 years old, but he sometimes behaves बच्चाको जस्तो हैन, बच्चा जस्तै. Sometimes he behaves like a child. Like a child. Okay. यस्तो गरेर लास्ट बाँकी भयो. हेर्नुहोस् त हामीले कतिजना यो गरिसकेका छौँ. ओके लास्ट हेरौँ. Put in like अथवा as sometimes either word is possible. कहिलेकाहीँ दुवै वर्ड युज गर्न पनि मिल्नेछ, कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ एउटा वर्ड राख्नु पर्यो, कुन मिल्छ त्यो राख्नु पर्यो. 1. We heard a noise like a baby crying. बच्चा रोएको जस्तै आवाज सुनियो. जस्तै the same as crying baby अथवा सुन्दाखेरि बेबी क्राइङ को जस्तै हैन, क्राइङ बेबी को आवाज जस्तै भन्दाखेरि लाइक. 2. I wish I had a car like yours. तिम्रो जस्तै कार भन्दाखेरि like. 3. Hannah has been working a waitress for the last 2 months as a waitress. हामीले as plus noun को कुरा गरेका छौं अनि as plus noun मा preposition को रूपमा आउँछ है भन्ने कुरा पनि गरेका छौं. Hannah has been working as a waitress for the last 2 months. 4. We saw Kevin last night. He was cheerful as always. He was cheerful as always. 5. You waste a lot of time doing this. You waste a lot of time doing things जस्तै के त, like sitting in cafes all day. 6. You can imagine we were very tired after such a long journey. As you can imagine, we were very tired after such a long journey. 7. Tom showed me some photos of the city. Tom showed me some photos of the city as it was 30 years ago. 8. My neighbor's house is full of interesting things. It's like museum जस्तै छ. It's like a museum. 9. In some countries in Asia like Japan, Indonesia, Thailand, traffic drives on the left. हामीले यसको ग्रामेटिकल भिडियोमा भनेका छौँ लाइक अनि सच एजले चाहिँ फर इक्जाम्पलको काम गर्छ है भनेर भनेका छौँ। अब यहाँनिर तपाईँले इन सम कन्ट्रिज इन एसिया सच एज पनि लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। सच एज जापान, इन्डोनेसिया, थाइल्यान्ड यसरी सच एज पनि लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। 10. The weather hasn't changed. It's the same हिजोको जस्तै छ। It's the same as yesterday. 11. You are different from other people I know. I don't know anyone else like you. तिमी जस्तो मैले अरू भेटेको छैन। 12. The news that they are getting married came as a complete surprise to me. The news that they are getting married came as a complete surprise to me. 13. This tea is awful. It tastes के को जस्तो टेस्ट छ त वाटरको जस्तै। It tastes like water. 14. Suddenly there was a terrible noise. It was त्यो त बम एक्सप्लोडिङको जस्तै छ, बम ब्लास्ट भएको जस्तै छ। It was like a bomb blast अथवा bomb exploding. 15. Right now I'm working in a shop. It's not great but it's okay. टेम्पोररी जबको रूपमा त्यो ठिक छ एज अ टेम्पोररी जब। 16. Brian is a student like most of his friends. है ठिक छ है। हामीले यो लाइक र एजको यसरी एक्सर्साइज गऱ्यौँ है त। यसमा तपाईँले केही नबुझ्नु भएको छ भनेदेखि यसको ग्रामेटिकल रुलको भिडियो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र त्यो पनि हेर्दा बुझिएन भनेदेखि चाहिँ हामीलाई सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला, कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। डिस्क्रिप्सनमा दिएको फोन नम्बरमा फोन गरेर पनि भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ है। अब त्यति भन्दै यो भिडियो यहीँ टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु। अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम गुड बाई, किप लर्निङ, जय 𝘁𝗂𝗂𝗧। पिस।